Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. This is a Bosch WFF2000 washing machine. Let's have a look at how to do the lint filter. Down here on the bottom right is a little screw. Let's turn that with the car key. The bottom left, another one. Turn it again, quarter turns each. And then, just using your hand or a knife or something like that, just pop the little thing down off the front there. And in here, reach in. And there's a hose. You just got to pull off that thing at the end. Bit of a twist, and that lets the dirty old water out. It's got this big long plastic thing inside because if it gets knots in it, it can get bunged up, and so that plastic is there to push out any goo. Once it's drained, you can do that, put it back in, and then on this side, this is the filter itself. Unscrew that. Look for treasure, nothing in there. There's the impeller blade, and you can see if that goes around with your finger, and you can reach around and see if there's any goo or anything in there. It's pretty clear, this one. Bit of dirt in the bottom, but nothing to worry about. And just push back in, close it up again. If you can't get this little thing to turn here, I've got other videos. Type it into YouTube, see what comes up. To get it back together again, just line up the tabs. There's 3 of them on the bottom. Snap the top, and then key it closed. So that was the Bosch WFF2000 washing machine. Thanks for washing. See you later.